I get all my food for free if I want.
And I don't do anything for it.
This knowledge is older than time.
Just sit and relax.
Okay, here we are then, in the sun. Do you know what you're looking at?
Mean eater, that's exactly why we are here.
Look closely. What do you see?
Write it down with the utmost precision. It is all in the smallest of details. Do you see those small lines running in the length of the plant?
Write them down. Do you see those thick armpits?
Another great clue.
By sitting with a plant for an extended period of time, you really bond with it.
Just like this V-knots, running in the length of the leaf. It's all important. A small mistake in identifying a plant for food means you could poison yourself.
Fun facts. This plant is not even originally from Norway. It comes all the way from East Asia and Africa.
Now all rooted on. Time to see the whole plant.
Now I put it in a pot. I place it in my bedroom so that I can see it every day this week.
Next week, I will let you know what it was. Leave in the comments what you think it is.